What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna's buy now pay later feature. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of steps. The first of course is to find a Klarna partner store. So what you want to do is to shop online at a store that partners with Klarna, and then you want to look for Klarna logo at checkouts. The second step is to select Klarna at checkout. So you want to proceed to checkout and select Klarna as your payment method, and then choose the buy now pay later option. And what you want to do is to choose your payment schedule and just select your preferred payment schedule. So you could pay in 4 interest-free installments, you could pay in 30 days, and you also got financing options which are available for some select purchases. And then just review the payment terms and conditions, and that is going to bring us to step 4, which is to complete your purchase. So you want to complete your purchase by confirming your payment details, and then Klarna is going to send you a notification email with payment instructions. Now when it comes to managing your payments, what you want to do is to log into your Klarna account to view your payment schedule, and then make payments on time to avoid late fees, of course. And you could also just contact Klarna customer support if you need to adjust your payment schedule at any time. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.